Welcome to Pittsburgh. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, we do require that you remain seated with seatbelts fastened, seat backs in an upright position, tray tables stowed locked, and all your belongings right where they are until this aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate. At that time, the captain will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, which is your only indication that it's safe to move about. Please take caution when opening the overhead bins to retrieve personal belongings, as items stowed here tend to shift in flight and could fall out. Be mindful of all your belongings, large and small, as you collect them. Once you've exited our aircraft, security prohibits you from turning around and retrieving anything left behind. If you're making connections here, go out into the terminal and see that information on the monitors. There are 21 of you folks continuing into Phoenix. We need you to stay in the seat that you're in now until a count has been made and a crew change is complete. We do not want to congest that aisleway until the crew change of 4 flight attendants with luggage is complete. You'll have plenty of time to stand, stretch, or use lavatories once that's been accomplished. But until then, we need you to stay exactly where you are until you hear further announcements. It's been our pleasure to serve you on this short flight. We realize there are a variety of air carriers you have chosen. We thank you for selecting Southwest. Look forward to serving you again in the future. If this is home, welcome home. Otherwise, enjoy your stay here or wherever your travels take you.
What road? Mom, What do you think about that landing?
I thought it was pretty good. What'd you think?
8 out of 10. I wouldn't say it was perfect, but it was pretty normal.
Yeah, I thought that was butter.
Yeah, it was kind of butter.
Maybe it was refrigerator butter? Yeah.
What?
Rather than like room temperature butter.
Yeah, it was first.
The Irish butter has a little more.
It was refrigerator butter.
It was refrigerator.
I'd say it was a bit too rough for butter, but
You know, a little thicker than the room temperature butter.
yeah. Why do they call it butter?
I don't know.
I mean, I know it's called butter, but I don't know why. It's called butter. Oh,
Was that margarine or was that butter?
margarine. What's that supposed to be? What's that supposed to be?